I like eating all the weird parts. You know that like extra bag when you buy whole chicken and you throw away all that stuff? I just grill it up and eat it. It's delicious.
Good morning! Say good morning! Like, how about you just put this on and let's hop in the pool. Good morning, Logan! Hi, bud! You're too busy playing with your trains down here and getting dirty already. Well, good morning, guys. We're actually, it's a little bit after morning. I mean, it's still morning. It's like 10:30-ish.
I think it's like 11 by now.
Is it now? Okay, so we've had our morning already. And we are starting the rest of our day with a little wine and some pool time. Today is going to be our
Beach day,
vacation beach day, because this guy deserves a loungy day for every day that he works super hard for us. And look at Gavin. Gavin's actually wearing a pair of swimming pants that my sister gave me. When he was first born, I think, when she gave me, when we found out Gavin was a boy, she has boys, and she gave me a bunch of clothes. That was actually one of them, and I forgot that I had a box of that clothes, so I took it out, and sure enough, they fit him, so I thought they looked really cute on him. Look at him. Yeah, and they're green, so it matches his little puddle jumper, right, buddy? Oh, don't fall over. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little swim time this morning, just kind of relax today, not do too much. Gavin does not have school today, so we thought today would be a treat for everybody to just lounge and have, you know, pool time and outside play. You gotta help Daddy get your arm in, buddy.
We're gonna grill today too.
Oh yeah, we're grilling out. Robbie's making some chicken, right? Chicken.
Maybe the boys will eat some this time.
Yeah, we'll see. Good job, monkey. Yay! You ready?
Don't knock me off balance. Hey.
Push Daddy.
She's trying to get the dolphin. My dolphin. I'm sitting on you. You got your life jacket. I get the dolphin. Chicken. Lung. I like eating all the weird parts. You know that like extra bag when you buy whole chicken and you throw away all that stuff? I just grill it up and eat it. It's delicious.
You're so funny, Logan. You look so cool. Want me to help you put them on? My glasses, I guess we left them in the pool, and they went all the way to the bottom of the pool, and they got run over a few times by our little sucker guy that cleans the pool. So they're all scratched. They're like completely scratched. That's okay, I got them at Sally's for like $5, I think, so no worries. Huh, now they're your glasses, I guess, huh? You can play with them all you want. Run them over with your truck. You do it. Alright, you guys having a drinking contest?
Seriously.
Yeah. Logan's starting to eat his sopita, but he hasn't touched the potato or the chicken or his orange, which is kind of weird. And Gavin is like, what is this? But Robbie made us dinner today. He grilled out, yeah, he did everything. But Gavin already ran off.
Once.
Yeah, he already jumped off the chair once, and he's hungry because when I put the plates up here, he didn't see what was up here, but he like ran to the chair and like pushed the chair open for him to get up. So I know he's hungry, so hopefully if we sit him here long enough,
He'll just say,
he'll start eating. Yeah, right, bud?
oh yes.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's edible. Dad seems to be enjoying his.
Yeah, definitely. Good. Let's see. He's trying to get away. Gavin, sit down. No. Turn around. Oh my goodness. He is. He's picking at the letters. He's like, which letter do I want to eat now? You know how long it's been since
Wow.
since he stopped eating sopa? Gavin was probably under 2 or around 2, so it's been like a little over a year now that he stopped eating sopa altogether, and he just tried it right now. It's the like the little ABCs. Well, you can't really tell ABCs and numbers. Logan really likes it, but Gavin always refuses it every single time, but he's eating it today. Oh, that's a big chunk right there, buddy. Oh,
Like you said.
yay.
Yeah, stop looking at him. Stop eating it.
I know. Okay, I'll let you eat.
How you guys doing?
I'm doing good. This guy, he's doing better.
He's over it.
Yeah.
You want to tell everybody what happened?
Yeah. He was like on the crib, standing inside the crib, and he was holding on like this, and here's like the crib rail, and he must have lost his balance and he fell and like hit his chin on the crib, and I think he bit his tongue, right?
He bit his tongue.
Yeah, pretty bad. Look, like there's like quite a bit of blood on this. You guys, you're blocking the light, honey. On that, so. But I think he's okay now. He's had some milk. Come on, buddy. Look at him, he's happy. Is your belly button? Yes.
Kevin's laying down.
Woo! I think he's feeling better. He's definitely tired, huh, bud?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're hopefully gonna stay up a little bit and watch something. I don't know. This little boy right here. He keeps wanting the little handkerchief too. What's up, buddy? You alright? Hi. Let me see your owie. No? Here, give that to me. It's yucky. Yucky. It's got blood on it, bud. Alright, can you say goodnight, Logan? Can you say goodnight? Say goodnight. Good night. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you did. And we'll see you guys at the next one. Ciao.
Bye.
Say bye, Logan. Logan, say bye. Oh, he's tired.